on.
And we're going to be introducing the speakers for today.
So the first speaker was born in Lampung, South Africa. She came to the US in 2005 with her husband and was a marketing director and computer science teacher at sawi Howard, a charter school in Wilson, North Carolina. She has since then played many roles in the Adventist education system. She's also an Ironman triathlete, a personal trainer, and is the community service project coordinator here at MPA.
Ms. Kutzer is one of the most selfless people you ever meet. She always coordinates community services and says hi to every single person in the mornings. She's devoted to the students and she loves all of us. So the next one is Mr. Kutzer, who was born in Kokstad, South Africa. He came to the U.S. in 2005 with his wife, Ms. Kutzer. He served as an elementary school teacher in Rayford, and he was a math teacher and the elementary school principal at sawi Howard. He was the principal of ACA Raleigh, and then he was the principal of Tri-City Academy, before serving as a principal here at MPA. These two speakers have done so much for MPA in the short time they've been here, and we will forever hold them dearly in our hearts. Without further ado,
let's welcome
Mr. and Mrs. Kutzer.